Hello, class 11 students. How are you all? I think everybody is good. So, in this video, we are going to discuss about GST, goods and service tax. As you know very well that everybody if he is purchasing the product, so they have to pay tax on that product. Okay, so earlier there are different types of the taxes in the form of excise duty, custom duty, and so on. Okay, but now from November 2018 the government has adopted one country one tax, that is GST. So GST is a destination based tax on consumption of goods and services. Means कि the phases of goods production are increasing, so in the same way GST is charged. Okay, it is proposed to be levied at all the stages right from manufacturer up to final consumption, with credit of taxes paid at previous days available as set off. It means that GST will be paid from the beginning manufacture of the product till the last final consumption of the goods. Okay, and it will charge at every stage, and it will set off till the last stages where the GST is paid. If while you have purchased the manufacturer any raw materials and paid GST, then you have not pay again the GST on that raw material. Okay, you have to pay the GST for the next stage, that is for manufacturing whatever. Okay, though the concept of destination based on consumption implies as the tax would accrue to the taxing authority which has jurisdiction over the place of consumption, which is also termed as place of supply. Wherever the products are supplied, at every step GST will be charged. तो सो GST has a two aspect. Okay, GST के दो phases होते हैं. Number one is central and another one is state beta. Okay, तो under state simultaneously laying on common tax base, and so there are the main three components GST, which are central GST, state GST, and IGST. CGST whenever goods across different states. Okay, then it have to charge IGST. Whenever goods live under the same state, then they have to charge state GST, and if the goods lived by the central authority, then they have to charge goods as GST, that is CGST. Central goods service tax is collected under CGST will consider the revenue of the central government. Okay, so now if CGST is collected, that is the revenue of central government. If SGST is collected, that will be the revenue of state government, and if IGST is collected, so that will be between under state and central both the governments. Okay, so for example, let us see the example better. Question is saying if the goods are transferred from Madhya Pradesh to Rajasthan, then this transaction will be attract IGST. Means whenever goods transported from one state to another, here goods are exporting from Madhya Pradesh to Rajasthan, then IGST will be charged. Okay, and if the goods are transporting in same country, same state, then it will be charged as SGST. Okay, and SGST and CGST, then two kinds of taxes we have to charge, CGST and SGST. And if goods are exporting to other state, then simply you have to charge one tax, that is IGST. Taxes are two types, direct tax and indirect. GST is indirect tax, center service tax, excise, CST, VAT, entry tax, these all. So these all are replaced by GST beta. Okay, and direct tax is that our income tax. Okay, that is a different thing. Okay, so these all 2 to 4 to 6 to 8 taxes are replaced by one tax, that is GST. That is why GST is called one country one nation. So now features of GST. GST is a common law and procedure through the country under single administration. Means the single administration control it. Okay, and minimum number of rates of tax does not exceed 2. Okay, तो जो taxes के rate minimum 2 ही होंगे, इससे ज़्यादा नहीं होंगे. There is no scope for levy of cess, resale tax, additional tax, turnover tax, etc. And मतलब no other tax will be charged. Okay, single tax is charged, that is GST, which include all kind of taxes. Okay, there is no multiply levy of tax on goods and services such as sales tax, entry tax. These taxes are not charged again and only once you have to pay taxes, that will cover everything. Okay beta. Now there are the advantages. Introduction of GST has resulted in the abolition of multiple types of टैक्सेस इन द गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज। ओके, मतलब पहले बहुत सारे टैक्स देने पड़ते थे, तो उन सबको क्या हुआ, जीएसटी ने रिप्लेस कर दिया। ओके, जीएसटी वार्डन टैक्स बेस एंड इंक्रीज रेवेन्यू टू सेंट्रल एंड स्टेट गवर्नमेंट। सेम कि दोनों का रेवेन्यू बढ़ाता है। जीएसटी अफेक्टेड रेट्स ऑफ टैक्स टू द मैक्सिमम ऑफ 2 फ्लोर रेट्स। ओके, मैक्सिमम 2 फ्लोर रेट्स इसके होंगे, इससे ज़्यादा नहीं होंगे। ओके, सो रीड ऑल दीज पॉइंट्स, आई एम टीचिंग फ्रॉम एनसीईआरटी। ओके, तो जीएसटी डिवाइडेड इनटू 2, इंट्रा स्टेट मूवमेंट एंड इंटर स्टेट movement। Okay, interstate that will be CGST and SGST if you are supplying goods in one country। फिर से चार्ट में समझा देता हूँ। and if goods are transported from one state to another then you have to charge IGST which include both CGST and IGST। okay, so by this way the chapter is finished। so prepare notes of this chapter, I will conduct test by tomorrow। okay, everybody, I think everybody is having PDF of chapter number 2, or if you are having book then it's very good। prepare notes, all the best, and be ready for test tomorrow।